packing for Disney World, it's always nice bringing some Disney-themed essentials with you for your trip. There are so many Disney essentials and souvenirs that you can actually get when at Disney World, but generally everything is more expensive at Disney World, and when shopping at Disney World, it can take away from some of your park time. So to help save you some money and time when you're in the parks, here are 9 Disney essential items that you can actually purchase from Amazon for your next Disney vacation. Minnie Mouse ears are obviously a very popular accessory to wear at the Disney parks, and when you're going to Disney World and purchasing ears in the shops, they can be about $30 for one pair of ears. Now, when doing your outfit planning, it's nice having items on hand so that way you don't have to waste time doing shopping in the parks. And after doing some research, I found that there are numerous options of Minnie Mouse ears on Amazon. There's a couple of things that I really appreciate about these ears. They are very cheap, so you can get multiple pairs of ears for multiple different outfits to wear throughout your time when at the park. They come with a matching Mickey Mouse scrunchie that you can wear in your hair when on rides, and there is a variety of styles, so there truly is something for everyone or for a variety of outfits that you may be wearing when at the parks. I really like that this comes as a set with a matching scrunchie and Minnie Mouse pair of ears, but there are also just separate Minnie Mouse scrunchies that you can purchase to wear with your outfits. So if you're looking to get multiple pairs of Minnie Mouse ears instead of just one pair when at Disney World, you could check out Amazon for these Minnie Mouse ears and scrunchie sets. Not only would you maybe want to wear Minnie Mouse ears to the park, but the second thing you can actually get on Amazon that's Disney themed are Disney t-shirts. Now personally, I love getting my Disney t-shirts or tops that I wear to the park from places other than Disney World itself. I find that at times there is a better selection at other stores rather than just at Disney World where I can find what I'm actually looking for. The nice thing about Amazon is that they have a variety of shirts that you can choose from. There are numerous styles, different characters, and they are all very affordable options compared to the t-shirts that you can find at Disney World. Having group t-shirts is also a very popular thing that I've seen at Disney World, and one thing that you can actually do from Amazon is you can have custom t-shirts made for your trip. So if you're looking for different tops to wear to Disney World, you can check out some Amazon Disney options that they have. If you're visiting the parks during the summertime, it most likely will be very warm, and the third thing that you can get from Amazon that is Disney themed is a Mickey Mouse portable fan. Now personally, I see this Mickey Mouse fan at least once every time that I go to the parks. It is a very popular item that I see people bring whenever they are going to the parks. It's nice having your own portable fan to have a constant airflow on you whenever you're walking around. You may be standing in a line that's outside or just walking around where there isn't a lot of airflow, and so it's nice having your own portable fan for that. Of course, there are numerous other portable fans that you can purchase, but this one is nice in particular because it has little Mickey Mouse ears on it and it has that little Disney touch to it. The fourth thing here is also a very popular thing that people tend to wear when going to the Disney parks, and that is Loungefly bags. Now, until a little bit ago, I actually did not know that Amazon had Loungefly bags available for purchase. But the thing that I like about this is because whenever I go into Amazon and I search Loungefly, there are so many options that come up, and bags that I typically couldn't find in other locations are found on Amazon. Now, I will say I have heard in the past that sometimes fake Loungefly bags can be sold on Amazon, and so what I think you want to look for when purchasing a bag from Amazon is to make sure that the seller is actually Loungefly. But it's nice to consider Amazon as an option of where you can get your Loungefly bags from, so that way you have your bag when going on your trip, so then you don't have to find one when you're at the parks. The fifth item here was something that I was personally excited about, even though I have no use for it, and those are Disney princess dresses. When going to Disney World, a very popular thing for little girls to do is to get Disney princess dresses. There are gowns and accessories that you can purchase at the parks, but typically one dress at the Disney parks costs about $100. But I was excited to see that there are cheaper dress options that you can actually find on Amazon, and there's a reason why I like this option better, not only because of the price, but for one other reason. I have heard that these dresses can be very itchy, and so it would be nice before actually going on your trip to get the dress and see if your child is actually comfortable in it or not, and if it fits okay. There is a huge selection as well. There are all the Disney princesses that you can find on Amazon, so I'm sure there's one that would fit well for your princess. If you've watched some of my videos before, you know that I love all of the hidden details at Disney World, and the sixth item that you can get from Amazon is the Hidden Mickey Scavenger Hunt book. Of course, when walking around the Disney park, some hidden Mickeys may hop out at you, or you can ask cast members where some are located at. But if you're wanting to find some of these hidden Mickeys on your own, this Hidden Mickey Scavenger book is a really great way to look through and search for hidden Mickeys throughout your day when you're at Disney World. I really enjoy bringing this book with me and finding new hidden Mickeys that I had never even seen or heard about. This book covers every location at Disney World. It has the Disney parks, Disney Springs, and even some of the resorts. And this may be a fun item that you can bring with you to look at whenever you're standing in lines with your kids, so that way you can start to know where to look for different hidden Mickeys when at Disney World. Pin trading is very popular at Disney World, and the seventh thing that you can find on Amazon is a lanyard for pin trading. When we were kids and went to Disney World, we did so much pin trading, and one thing that I was really excited about was getting a lanyard to wear to the Disney parks. The nice thing about the lanyards from Amazon is that they are a cheaper option and they are also Disney themed. This could be a great item that you purchase before actually getting to Disney World, so that way you have it on hand, you don't have to go into the Disney stores to try to find one, and you can save some money. There are pin trading locations all throughout the park, so this would be a really nice handy item to have on hand for your child or yourself if you're planning on doing pin trading. The eighth item is also another handy thing to have if you're planning on doing meet and greets in the park, and that is an autograph book. Now recently I went to Disney World and I saw that there were a ton of autograph books near the checkout in one of these stores, and there are meet and greet characters that you can find all throughout the Disney parks, and so it may be nice, as I mentioned with the lanyard, to have an autograph book on hand so that way you don't have to worry about trying to find one and spending extra money when at the parks. There were a couple of different Amazon options that I found, and it might be nice to get one from Amazon because it's different than the one that you can actually get at Disney World. And the ninth and final thing that you can find on Amazon that is Disney themed are Disney earrings. When planning out my outfits, I always like adding some jewelry to my outfits, and Disney earrings are something that I usually wear when going to the Disney parks. I love wearing some Mickey Mouse stud earrings that I actually got from Disney World, but after doing some research, I found that there are so many options that you can actually purchase on Amazon, and this would be so convenient to have on hand because it can help you to plan out your outfits a little bit better, and there are some cheaper options that you can find. Clearly, you can tell that I am all about saving you some time and money when going to the Disney parks. So with that in mind, here are some items that you definitely are not going to want to be buying when getting to Disney World, as well as 9 other items that are very handy to have on hand when visiting the Disney parks. I hope this video was helpful for some of your Disney themed packing, and we'll see you in the next video. See you guys!